Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new rum cocktail using our amazing rums. We're here at North Carolina's oldest legal rum distillery, Muddy River Distillery in Belmont, North Carolina. This is Caroline. I'm Robbie. Caroline, we have a lot to celebrate this week. First and foremost, my sister, Courtney, is getting married.
Yay!
Courtney is getting married to some guy. What's his name? No, I'm just kidding. Courtney's getting married to Alex Veiga. He's an awesome dude. I think he's taken her name, right? We'll find out at the wedding.
No.
Just kidding. So Courtney's getting married this week. We also are celebrating that our rum is officially for sale in Canada. We'll link that in the description below. It's super cool. Our Basil rum, which is the first Basil rum on the universe, is in Canada. Oh yeah, so that's why I'm dressed up for this episode.
Tuxedo for the wedding.
Yeah.
Better not get that thing dirty. You need it this week.
this tuxedo is from our wedding. So it's been around 8 years and I still fit in it. I can't button it shut and I muffin top with the pants, but anyway, so
beautiful to me.
Yeah, right. Caroline, what are we making to celebrate Courtney and Alex's wedding this week?
So we have named this drink Viva La Veiga because their last name is Veiga. Mm-hmm. So perfect.
Yes, it is perfect. All right, what are we using?
And they love ginger beer and ginger ale, so this drink is based with that. We are using our Basil Carolina Rum,
That's
which
our
is
base.
also their favorite.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to do 2 ounces of Basil Carolina Rum.
And we're making this drink for 2, right?
Yep. So do 4 total.
Okay.
2 ounces of that.
All right, what's next?
Then we're going to do 1 ounce of lime juice. So do 2 of those.
2 full limes, right?
Yeah, 2 full limes.
Mm-hmm.
And you have to use the juicer because I apparently can't use it
Off
at
limits.
all.
Without the proper PPE, aka long sleeves and glasses on. You're not allowed to use that. Or apparently cut the lime. I'll do that.
Oh, sorry. Not bad. So that, and then we also need 3 dashes of bitters each. And for this, we're using Crude Bitters, which is in Raleigh, so they're local to us. This is the sycophant. I could not say that. Sycophant? Sycophant? Sycophant?
Yeah, sycophant.
I want to say sycophant.
Stick it in there.
But
3 dashes?
3 dashes.
Got 3 dashes
each,
per drink?
Mm-hmm.
3, 4, 6.
Yeah!
Alright.
And these are orange and fig, so I'm just giving it a little more sweetness to
And the
go with the
bittering
lime.
agent.
Yeah, the bitter.
Bittering part. And we shake
Yes.
that, right?
Yes, shake that up
All
there.
right. Oh. Try to knock this all in my tuxedo jacket.
Oops, sorry. Ice them up. And then we're gonna ice it, top it off with ginger ale or ginger beer. We're using Unknown ginger ale, which is made in Charlotte, which we love.
Yeah, if you don't have access to Unknown ginger ale, go straight to ginger beer. What ginger beer do we like to use?
Beaver Tree or Barrett's. Actually, you should do a taste test of just ginger beers and ginger ales because some of them are really more gingery and it's like horseradish in the nose. Then some are much sweeter too. So it depends on what you want to do with that drink, which one you should use better.
So I'm just going to top this drink off and then give it a stir.
Yeah. And then we're going to garnish with the lime.
Oh yeah, right to the brim.
Whoa. Oh, you like to stir too.
I do all the physical work.
I'm just here to direct.
And
And
that's
then
it. Oh.
1/2 ounce of maple syrup.
All right.
Do a little splash of that in each. Sweeten it up a bit.
Gave you a little bit more.
Fabulous. Yum. Excited.
All right. And there we have it, the Viva La Veiga.
Viva La Veiga. Congratulations, Courtney and
Yeah,
Alex.
cheers to a happy, long-lived marriage and long-term business with Canada. Hope you guys liked the video. Link for the recipe is in the description below. Check out muddyriverdistillery.com for more information. You can find our products online or in your local liquor store. You can also come out to the distillery every Saturday at 1, 2, and 3 o'clock and take a tour. Check out our facility, see what we got going on. All right, cheers.
Cheers. All right, 2 ounces of basil rum. Basil rum. Basil rum. Put a basil bottle in. I put this on the list to do at the end. So, give my workout.
Hello and welcome to Mixology. I'm gonna break this glass before I'm done. Hello and welcome to Muddy River Mixology. I quit. I'm done with it.
Sycophant.
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 Wow.
Sycophant.
That's not how I'd ever say
Sycophant.
it. Sycophant.
It's a terrible word. It should never be used in anything. Ding that glass, woman.